Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. Today I'm just going to give you a little buttermilk tip. In case you didn't know this, you can freeze buttermilk. You put buttermilk in a baggie, and I always label it with the date and the amount. And then what I do is freeze them and stack them on top of each other in the freezer. So whenever I need a cup of buttermilk, I know exactly how much is in there, and it's just very easy to thaw it out and bring it to room temp and use it in baking. And if you don't have buttermilk available, you can even make your own. This is 1 tablespoon of white vinegar going into 1 cup of whole milk. I always use whole milk when I bake. And then you just stir it in there, and in 10 minutes or so, 5 to 10 minutes, you'll see that this will start to curdle and it becomes a little thicker, and you can use this in place of buttermilk. It has the same tang, it's delicious. Don't be afraid to do this. I have used this in anything from fine pastries to pancakes to any baked product where I wanted a little tang from the buttermilk. Well, this is the buttermilk after 10 minutes. And you can see there's some curds that are forming in there. It's a little thicker. And that is what you use for buttermilk. It even smells a little tangy. It's a little thicker. The viscosity definitely changes when you do this. Anyway, this is a great buttermilk tip. I hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Nina in the Kitchen. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.